Ryan at Prototype Box Breaks. Today we're opening a box of 12-13 Gold Standard. These boxes have 4 autographs, 1 jumbo jersey card and 1 card made entirely out of metal. Some of the noteworthy inserts in these boxes include Bullion Brand. These have a full jersey laundry tag from a game worn jersey, and these are numbered to 1 of 2. And Solid Gold. These are a card manufactured entirely out of 14 karat gold, and each one is a 1 of 1. So let's see what we get. Okay, time to open up. The cool thing with this year's box is what they've done is they've embossed the Gold Standard symbol in there, along with some portraits of Kobe Bryant and Kevin Durant. Just gives it a nice feel. Okay, so first we've got the Kobe Anthology Pack. These were inserted with every box of 12-13 Panini product. There's 5 cards in each pack. Usually you just get base cards, but occasionally you'll get a memorabilia or an autograph Kobe card. So here's hoping for something special. Usually it's on this 3rd card if they insert something, so I don't think I've got something in this pack, unfortunately. Okay, now onto the actual box. Just 1 pack. So the first card is the metal, and we have Derrick Rose. It's actually coated with a thin layer of transparent plastic on both sides to protect it from scratching, which helps preserve the condition of the card. Okay. Base card of Rick Barry. Base card of Jordan Crawford. These are both numbered to 349. Base card of John Stockton, also numbered to 349. First insert is Gold Standard, numbered to 199 of James Harden. Have a redemption here. Rookie autograph jersey of Ivan Johnson. This one says it expired in December 2014, but I imagine I'll get something back for that. Okay. Gold Strike autograph of Victor Claver to 249. That's a 1-card auto. Okay, next one is Marks of Gold, numbered to 99 of Robert Horry. That one's a sticker auto. have Nikola Vucevic Gold Strike auto, number to 249. Also a sticker auto. And this is a rookie year autograph as well of Vucevic. We have a black gold jumbo jersey card of Vinnie Johnson, number to 49. Jerry West base card, number to 349. And last of all, a base card of Marc Gasol. Okay, that's it for this break. I'd say the highlight was probably the Robert Horry. Not the greatest box ever, but still, a couple of nice cards. Thanks for watching, guys. It wasn't the greatest box, but had a couple of nice cards. I like the Horry auto. You know, when you win that many championships, it's always kind of cool to get an autograph of a guy like that. One thing I did notice though was the jersey card. Even though he was pictured wearing the Detroit jersey on the card, it was actually a piece of Seattle Supersonics jersey inside the card. So I thought that was kind of interesting as well. The other thing was, I'm not sure if you counted, but I actually got 12 cards out of the box. You were only meant to get 10 out of them. So not a great box, but got bonus content, so that's always cool. And the Derrick Rose metal card, they look great. I don't care what anyone says, they're awesome. Yeah, hopefully we'll have some more breaks coming up soon, and keep an eye out for them. Thanks for watching.